And it's a special day because it's my birthday!
Let's go.
Good morning!
Good morning!
We're here at Estancia de Lorenzo for a day tour. Magdi-day-tour lang kami kasi biglaan lang to, guys. Gusto lang ng kids na mag-swimming. And it's a special day because it's my birthday!
Happy birthday!
Say?
Happy birthday!
Thank you! It's here. It's the entrance here. So this is the package tour, day tour package. Umbrella table lang kinuha namin. And then they have the night tour package. So let's go. They give us this wristband. We need to wear this. And then we'll go to the pool now. Go, go, go. Ito yung restaurants nila inside. They have, I think, 4 restaurants dito sa loob. Then here's the pool area. Ay, dito ulit. We're going to stay here again. Here's our umbrella table. You need to put this. Yes.
Pinili mo to?
No, si lifeguard nagpili. Siya nag-a-assign. Daddy, you put this on our hands.
Teka. Ako wala.
It is 4.
There's 2.
Dito lang mama. This is the swimming pool area. Meron silang 2 swimming pool. Here, ito yung medyo malalim. And then, yung pangbata nila is here. Okay. Ganda nito, guys. Ganda talaga dito. And ito yung mga cabanas nila. Pwede kayo mag-overnight dyan. We will go to the okay, meron silang inside na mga comfort room dito. So, pwede kayo mag-shower, mag-change ng clothes, mag-CR, and saka malinis. Use your slipper. Hi guys! So we're back here at Estancia de Lorenzo. Day-tour lang kami dito actually. Biglaan lang. It's already 12:30 na ng tanghali. Katanghalian, tapat na naman sila nag-swimming. Kasi late na kami nag-decide na pumunta dito. Actually, biglaan nga lang. Kasi wala kaming other plans ngayong birthday ko. Sabi ko, parang gusto ko pumunta somewhere. Kaso pag nag-mall, parang sawa na yung mga kids kapag nag-mall. So, sabi ko, maiba naman. So, mag-swimming na lang kami dito. And luckily, meron silang available na 1 umbrella na for today. So, yun. Kasi medyo madaming tao. But hindi naman siya ganun kadami like yung jump pack. May mga tao, but yeah. Isa na lang yung available na umbrella nila. So, sabi ko, reserve na namin. So, ayun. Malapit lang din naman to sa house. Like, mga 20 minutes away lang to from the house. So, we decided to stay here for until 5 PM kasi hanggang 5 PM to itong day tour nila. Meron din silang night tour, I think hanggang 11. Starting yun ng 5 to 11. So, this one is 8 o'clock hanggang 5. So, mas sulit yun kung maaga kayo pupunta dito. 8 hanggang 5 meron sila. And mura lang siya. 450 lang for adults and 200 something for the child. Inquire na lang kayo or punta kayo dito sa Estancia de Lorenzo if you want. Ang ganda ng area. So peaceful, tahimik. Yung mga kids, nandun na sila sa swimming pool. And kung di nyo pa napapanood yung Estancia vlog ko, nandyan yan, ililink ko na lang dyan. And yeah, panoorin nyo yun. Kasi yun talaga walang tao. Kami lang yung tao yung time na yun. That is weekdays. So, here's my outfit for today. This is from Monday Casuals. You know? Monday Casuals. Hindi nila minaini. Ayaw nila. So, yeah. Hey!
I want there, Mama.
Huwag na dun. Dito lang kayo. Diyan lang.
It's too deep.
Deep? Okay. Gusto mo doon? Abot mo ba doon? Ayan, dito daw sila sa mababaw lang, 3 feet. Okay. Medyo madaming tao ditong part na yan kasi restaurant to eh, open restaurant yan. Kahit sino pwede magpunta dyan to eat. And then may mga event din sila ngayon. I think merong may kasal. I'm not sure. Abot mo dyan? Wow! Miranda! Miranda, don't go there! Come here! Dito ka lang. Doon ka, oh. Kay ate.
Birthday po.
Thank you. Hi guys. So, I changed my clothes na and we're going to swim. Wow! Ang babaw naman. Hi, Dad. Psst. Yes? You want to go there? You're not tired? Alam mo, na oras pa lang. Alas 2 pa lang. Hi guys! So, we're done. Me and Maki. Nakapagpalit na kami ng clothes. Ang inaantay na lang namin is yung mga kids na matapos mag-swimming. And then after that, we're going to the mall. Ayan. Lipstick lang. Anong oras na ba? It's already 4 o'clock na ata. Okay. And by the way, my dress is from Monday Casual. Cute na ito, no? I'll show you. And by the way guys, meron din pala sila dito mini zoo. So baka iikot kami later to check ko ano yung mga dito, animals. Ano lang yun eh, konti lang yung animals nila. Like crocodile, merong horse, merong birds, may goat. Mini zoo lang siya. And then meron din silang ATV kung gusto nyo mag-ATV. But we
hindi namin gagawin yun. Kasi gusto man namin, pero paano yung kids, di ba? So, pwede rin naman, kaso hindi na namin siya gagawin today. Siguro yung mini zoo lang. Mag-iikot lang kami for the mini zoo. Bago kami umuwi. Hug each other. Kiss each other. Ay! Halika na, let's go na. Hold hands. Okay, this is their Lorenzo's or yung inside restaurant nila. Buffet pala to guys. Pero meron din sila mga a la carte. Malaki to eh. Meron pa banda dun. Nagpa-refill kami ng water. Pwede magpa-refill dito. Libre lang. Ang init kasi. Be here. Picture.
Mas po, nakakalipad pa rin sila. Hindi nga lang kung malayo at saka mataas. Okay. Oh, look at the camera. Look at mommy.
Smile!
Marunong ano, heart? Yan. Ano ginagawa mo? Oh, mag-heart ka, ganun. Oh, look at the camera. Baka yung camera. Pusasang pa dito. Uy.
Active yun.
Ah.
Ay, oh my God. Ang lakas na.
3,500 PSI na bite force.
That's wrong.
Nakuha naman. Dali lang, sir.
Disney princess, oh. Hindi, ah.
That's your sister.
Disney princess yan.
Gusto ko yan!
Gusto ko ganyan.
Pero lalaki yan. I want it. It's pa to.
Ayan yung mga kids, meron silang play park dito. Kids play park yung tawag nila. Bago lang to, nung last time wala to eh. And then, may bayad to, 100 pesos. Pero, consumable kung meron kang receipt na 1,000 pesos. So, pwede ka mag-play dito. Ayan. Ganda. And then, meron silang mini zoo. Yun yung nakita nyo kanina. May bayad din yun, yung birds. 50 pesos naman yun.
Per picture naman.
Ah, per picture ba?
Hindi, ano?
Per head, per head. Per
Picture
head.
na, okay na yun. Kahit ilang picture na.
Yeah, unlimited. Basta per head yung bayad. Ayun lang for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you again in our next vlog.